We invite you to discover Windfisher's airborne wind energy system, delivered in a container. We call it the MAG, for Magnus Airborne Generator. The MAG has two parts, the ground station and the wind rotor. The airborne wind rotor has two balloons, two rope-to-cylinder transmissions, and winglets. The pressurized air beams are manufactured from technical textile and reinforced with carbon rods. The balloons are inflated with helium to make them lighter than air. The ropes drive the cylinder rotation speed, which controls the wind rotor direction and enables piloting along an optimal trajectory. The ground station houses the winch drums, the mechanical flywheel, the generator, the power electronics, and the autopilot. Takeoff is extremely simple, with lighter than air buoyancy and a bit of aerodynamic lift. The wind rotor climbs to 300-meter height and rotates 90 degrees to begin its figure-8 production cycle. The reel-in, reel-out pumping cycle efficiently captures wind energy and transfers it to the ground station. Flying at several hundred meters height gives access to stronger, more persistent winds, which double both the capacity factor and the annual energy production compared to a traditional wind turbine with an equivalent power rating. During the production cycle, the four independent winches control the flight trajectory, including the distance, the altitude, the orientation, and the rotation speed. The mechanical wind energy transferred through the ropes is converted to electricity inside the ground station. The production cycle has an energy generation phase, shown in green, as the wind rotor moves away from the ground station. Then the system is reeled in to its starting point with minimum use of energy. The mechanical flywheel allows us to smooth the power peaks and inject a constant power to the electrical grid. When there is no wind, or the wind is too strong, the wind rotor is reeled in and lands on the ground station, thereby avoiding visual pollution. The balloons are secured to the ground station during storms for extra safety. Our vision imagines the deployment of several MAGs in small wind farms in order to generate green, decentralized energy for towns, farmers, and small industry with behind-the-meter self-consumption. We are Windfisher, wind power reinvented.